everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share how you can use coffee for skin brightening and to get spotless and glowing skin. Now, it's a 3-step process that you will have to do at least 2 times in a week and you will get some amazing results. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first step is to exfoliate. Now before that, you can just wash your face using any face wash that suits you. So I have 2 options for you to try. The first one is my favorite and the most simplest one to do exfoliation for your face on regular basis. Just use a little bit of filter coffee and then apply this on your wet skin. The key with the physical exfoliator is to be gentle, and if you have any active acne, then be extra gentle while you are scrubbing your face. Try to avoid scrubbing over an active acne. Then another favorite scrub that I love to use is this one that I make when I want to put an extra effort into my skincare routine. You only need 3 ingredients. The first one is 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, a few drops of honey and super fine sugar. So now all you have to do is mix all the ingredients in a bigger bowl. Massage very gently for about 2 to 3 minutes on your slightly damp skin and then you can just rinse it off. And that is it for the step number 1. Your skin will feel instantly so much better in terms of the texture of your skin and the feel of it. It will be so soft to touch. Now moving on to the step number 2, which is a face mask. This face mask helped me when I was struggling with my acne and acne marks and I was afraid to try any store-bought product. I was afraid to try store-bought products because I was not able to detect the root cause of my acne issue, and the last thing I wanted on this planet to break out, because back then I already was getting like 2 to 3 pimples and acne on every single day basis. So I was just using natural things, natural ingredients that really helped me. So without too much blabbering, I will show you what I did. So for this you will need 1 teaspoon of multani mitti, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and enough hung curd to make a smooth and spreadable face mask. So after you have exfoliated the skin, apply the face pack. If you have any active acne, you can just let the mask stay there until it is semi-dry. Do not let it dry completely. Then it will be difficult to remove and you may pop any active acne on the face while washing your face. And if you don't have any active acne, then you can leave it on until it dries and then you can just wash it off using some lukewarm water. If you want to make this simple routine a little bougie and classy, you can simply steam your face, you can cut some cucumbers and put it on your eyes, sip on some green tea and relax. Now moving to the third and the most effective treatment is this coffee infused oil. If you want, you can stop after the face mask and apply your moisturizer and it will be done. But if you want to take an extra step towards glowing and spotless skin, then this step is for you. So for this, you will need only 2 ingredients. The first one is any carrier oil of your choice and instant coffee. So for carrier oil, you can take coconut oil, you can take sweet almond oil or any other oil that suits your skin. Just remember that coconut oil is comedogenic and it can block your pores, so just see what works for you. The combination that I love is sweet almond oil and coffee. So take approximately of 25 ml of oil and take 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Heat the oil and coffee in a double boiler on low heat for about 45 minutes to an hour. Let it cool down and if you want, you can strain well and transfer it to a storage bottle for the later use. But I like to keep the coffee in my oil because it makes the oil stronger day by day. So what I do is I just place a filter paper on the opening of the container and it will be absolutely fine to use. If you don't have a filter paper, I'm sure you must have green tea at home. Just cut open a green tea bag and use it. Use this daily as a part of your nighttime skincare routine. So only this step you have to do on everyday basis. The other steps you can do 2 times in a week and you will see how drastically it will transform your skin. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will answer those. If you want to have a one-on-one conversation with me, you can simply DM me on my Instagram. So with this, we are done with today's video. Hope you found this helpful, and if you did, then please consider subscribing to it and share it with your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.